Morning children. Today we are continuing the exercise 6.3 lesson. In figure QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Here what is given? First one, in triangle PQR given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 means these two sides are also equal. PR is equal to QP. Equation 1, reason sides opposite to equal angles. Sides opposite to equal angles. Also given QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. This is equation 2. And what is PR? PR is equal to QP. Next step, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR is equal to QP. Implies QS by taking its reciprocal, QS by QR is equal to QP by QT. Take it as equation 3. Now we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. For that, in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, first one is QS by QR is equal to QP by QT. Listen, PQS and TQR, its corresponding sides are QSQR, QP, QT. So, in triangle PQS and TQR, we can write QS by QR is equal to QP by QT. Also, these two triangles have common angle is angle Q. For triangle PQS, angle Q is angle PQS is equal to, for triangle TQR, this angle Q is, name of angle Q is angle TQR. Angle TQR. This is equal to 1. This is equal to angle 1. Therefore, we can write triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR by, this is angle and these two are the sides. Side angle. SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. These two triangles are similar. Second question. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Figure. P, Q, T, S, this angle is R. This figure is given. S and T are points on sides PQ and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. These two angles are equal. Show that triangle RPQ and RTS are similar. For that, in triangle PQR, what is given here in triangle PQR? T is a point on QR. T is a point on QR. S is a point on PR, such that what is given? Angle P is equal to angle RTS. We have to show that RPQ and RTS are similar. Consider triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. Then what is given here? P means RPQ. Angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS. This is given. Then RPQ and RTS, which angle is common? This angle R is common. For RPQ, angle R is PRQ. Angle PRQ is equal to, for RTS, angle R means SRT or TRS. Angle TRS. This is given, PRQ. This angle is common. This PRQ and TRS are common angles. Common. Therefore, these two triangles, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Next question. In the figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. In the figure is given. Triangle ABC and DE. This is the given figure. We have to prove that ADE is similar to ABC. Then what is given first in the figure? Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. That is given. From this, we can write AB is equal to AC and AE is equal to AD. AB equals AC and AE is equal to AD. Then dividing first AB by AC is equal to AE by AD implies AB by AE is equal to AC by AD. Again implies AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. This is equation 1. Since AE is equal to AD, and take it as equation 1. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Now we consider, now in triangle ADE and ABC, the corresponding sides of ADE and ABC are AB by AD is equal to AB by AD is equal to AC by AE, and one angle is common. Angle A is common for both the triangles. For triangle ADE, angle A is DAE or EAD. Angle DAE is equal to, for triangle ABC, angle A is BAC. Angle BAC. Now in triangle ADE and ABC, two sides are proportional and one angle is side including angles are equal. Therefore triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. These two triangles are similar. Next question. In the figure, E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB. In the figure is given. Parallelogram ABCD. A, B, C, D. This AD is produced to meet at E. This is E and this point is F. Here in the figure, E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. E is a point on the side AD produced, and B at BE intersects CD at F. BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE, this large triangle, and CFB, these two triangles are similar. For that, ABCD is a parallelogram. So these two angles are equal, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Next, the parallel sides are intersected by the transversal BE. This transversal intersected by the parallel sides. So these two angles are equal. Next one is these two angles are equal. First lesson, we have a parallelogram. ABCD in which AD is produced to E and BE is joined such that BE intersects CD at F. Now, In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle BAE, these two angles are equal. Angle BAE is equal to angle FCB. Angle FCB. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Next one is angle AEB and angle CBF. These two angles are equal. Angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Reason, parallel sides are intersected by the transversal BE. Transversal BE. Therefore, triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity criterion. Thank you.